So today is April 7, 9:06 a.m. And as you guys can see, nasa Taft ako today because sinamahan ko yung sister ko mag-finals. Accounting finals niya today. So sinamahan ko siya papunta here. I finished accounting na last term. So wala akong finals talaga, like written exam this term. I actually woke up really early today because I worked out. I did mat pilates kanina. I had breakfast na rin kanina but di pa ako nagmamatcha. So mamaya na tayo magmamatcha. I'm thinking of studying sa library instead kasi nakakuha naman ako ng sunlight, guys. I have to study because meron akong presentation mamayang 7 p.m. which is about our feasibility study. And yun kasi it's a whole paper talaga. I have to get my video up by 6 p.m. Isa-schedule ko na siya para later uploaded na siya. After mag-exam ng sister ko, we're going to the National Museum. Hindi naman requirement but we'll get additional points kasi if pupunta kami sa museum. That's it. Let's go to the library.
Wanna make you happy and then she goes. 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어. 대화가 너 먼저 나에게 말해봐. 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해. We're out of time, so tell me you want more.
Kasi yun yung pasok marketing or like parang pinaprepare mo?
Oh, yung oral recitation naman.
What time is it?
It's 1:43
1:43
a.m.
a.m.
We're going to the museum. Bawal mag-vlog din.
We just have to take photos for our project and that's it. Here. Oh frick, it's so hot. We're here guys, but we're not allowed to film. Kaya, bye! We're done. We're going home now.
Pagod ako guys.
May presentation pa ako later at
So
7 p.m.
Let's go to Universal Studio.
What's up guys? I'm back here in Cavite. It's currently 7:59 p.m. We're about to present. Hopefully maging okay kasi ito na yung finals ko talaga. Like, wala na akong ibang requirements. Other than yung mga submissions ko, but when it comes to presentations, last na to. Kasi yung iba tapos na sila last week. So, yeah. Wish us luck everyone. I got iced chai pala kanina. Naantok ako, grabe pa balik dito. Naramdam ko yung mata ko parang pumipikit. So, papait lang ako ng top or ipapatong ko na lang since magpo-polo lang naman ako. And we're gonna present here sa table ko. Hoping na maging okay yung presentation namin. Kami pa naman yung last group na magpo-present, guys. Kasi nag-start na siya noong Friday. formal yung taas, but sa baba, naka-shorts. Kinakabahan ako guys kasi naka-assign din ako sa IMC. Isa ako sa mga in charge sa creative materials namin. And hopefully, magustuhan ng prof. One day din kami nag-shoot nito. Or actually 2 days. 2 days kami nag-shoot for our digital execution. So we made in-feed ads for TikTok and bumper ads for YouTube. So hopefully, magustuhan ng prof namin. I'm just going to practice my lines guys while waiting. Actually, last night nag-dry run kami. But para lang safe. Practice tayo guys. I think patapos na yung last group kasi it's 8:23 p.m. So, kami na yung next. Hopefully, magiging okay naman lahat. Yes, magiging okay lahat. Frozen food market is growing, projected to reach $22.8 billion by 2027. Stable traffic or school, then showing how bacon bites our digital execution. TikTok, the goal is to create a fast, snappy, and engaging clip that grabs at the interest rate of users. Socially changing lifestyles and fast-paced rhythm.
I think I swat kasi most of the year paper naman eh. Congratulations sa inyo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, guys. Nakakatulog na ulit ako ng mahimbing. No deal. Time check, 9:32 p.m. Naka-sleep mode na yung phone ko. I'm done for the day. That's it for Monday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or kung kailan man ako mag-upload. Okay, so today is a Saturday and it's officially my term break. It's April 12, so tapos na lahat ng mga requirements, lahat ng deadlines. We're just waiting sa final grade namin. I think April 15, i-announce or ipopost lahat ng grades. So, I'm so happy kasi natapos na din yung week na to finally. Natapos na rin yung finals week namin. We're going to Salcedo, Makati today kasi aside from the fact na I also want to explore lang the area, meron din tayo i-film for Cream Silk. So, nag-shoot ako kanina nito. And I just need to get a few more clips kasi parang summer vibe siya. Initially, I was gonna film here lang sa house pero I realized kailangan ko ng outdoor clips. Siyempre para sa content, kailangan natin mag-effort. So, alis tayo today. There's also a weekend market near Salcedo, so we might go there as well. Yeah, so this is the fit for today. I'm just wearing this white top. I added these sunnies para may pop of color. And these linen pants. Nag-spray tayo nito before ako umalis. Not sponsored. Para medyo awake ang ating skin. Spray ko din to actually sa body ko minsan. Kasi nag-a-add din siya ng glow. And plus ang bango niya guys. So parang rin siya perfume. My current lip gloss is from Peripera. In the shade 12. Ganyan siya. I like this one kasi yung shade nito, very similar sa favorite kong Chuchu Beauty na lip gloss. But this one is bigger. I just don't like the packaging kasi nag-leak siya. Pero ang ganda kasi ng shade na to guys. And looks very healthy on the lips kaya I still use it. Pero naglalagay naman ako ng tissue sa bag para hindi siya dumikit. Let's use this bag for today para summer vibes talaga sa video. Let's go! Photo booth. Oh, it's here. Hey. Photo booth. Happy Friday. And we just actually came back from church, but we're gonna pack for today kasi we're going to Japan next week. We'll be staying in Japan for 10 days. Kaya medyo marami tayong i-prepare na outfits. Kaya we're here sa walk-in closet. I have to get a few jackets. Kasi balita ko malamig pa raw dun. So, ito yung luggage ko, guys. This one's just from Shopee, actually. Pero, grabe, super tibay niya. I think 3 or 4 years na ito nasa akin. And this one naman is my hand carry, which is from Bash. Super convenient din na to kasi I just open yung front and dito ko lang nilalagay yung laptop ko, guys. And hindi ko na kailangan buksan the whole maleta. It's jacket. I think I like it better na naka-close. Tagal ko na rin dito nasusuot, guys, and parang 3 years na to na sa akin. I recently bought this one. I feel like this is too preppy, not Japan-ish. Because I've been seeing a lot of TikToks, yung mga locals, kung ano yung mga sinusuot nila sa Japan or sa Tokyo. And grabe, ang ganda ng fashion style nila. And to think na those were just their normal or day-to-day outfits. This one, I feel like I'm gonna bring this. It's a brown leather jacket. I like this one. I feel like babagay to sa Tokyo, guys. Not my usual style kasi very streetwear sila. But, minsan lang naman tayo nasa Tokyo kaya mag-adjust tayo. We learn how to adapt, you know. I actually have another one. Brown din siya. But, iba yung texture ng leather na to. This one is from Cider. Iba yung vibe nito compared din sa nauna. So, I can only pick one because mabigat to sa luggage. So, I don't know. Mas okay ba to? Mas Japan vibes ba to? Hindi ko maka-choose, guys. Hindi ko alam.
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 걸